Today we are going to discuss about methods of integration. This integration by parts. Objectives: on completion of this period, you would be able to evaluate the integral of the form integration e power x into f of x plus f dash of x into dx is equal to e power x into f of x plus c. The integration of the form integration e power x into f of x plus f dash of x dx equal to e power x into f of x plus. This is the one of the formula. in- Recap. We integrand the function log x, sin inverse x, cos inverse x, and so on. By assuming log x as is equal to log x into 1, and also sin inverse x is sin inverse x into 1, cos inverse x is cos inverse x into 1, tan inverse x also tan inverse x into 1. Similarly, we also integrated the functions sin x into log x, e power x into cos bx, e power x into sin bx, assuming integration sin x into log x dx as integration log x into sin x dx, and integration e power x into sin x dx equal to sin x into e power ax dx. Both functions we are converting as per Lie formula. In first one is integration sin x log x dx is not a correct question. So according to Iliad, logarithm function is first place and other is second place. So log x is u and sin x is v dx. Next, integration e power x into sin x dx. Here e power x is exponential function. As per Lied, e power x is last stage, that is sin x is u is the sin x, e power x is b dx derivation. So that integration e power x into f of x plus f dash of x dx equal to e power x into f of x. I am proving this. Integration e power x into f of x plus f dash of x dx equal to, I am splitting it into two parts, that is integration e power x into f of x dx plus integration e power x into f dash of x dx. Expanding this using integration by parts. Integration, actually integration by parts formula is integration u v dx equal to u into integration v dx minus integration of integral v dx and derivative of u into dx, d by d of u, d by dx of u into dx. So here integration I am taking I'm solving integration e power x into f dash of x only. In integration e power x into f dash of x dx, here e power x is exponential function, f dash of x is one of the derivative function. So f dash of x is u and e power x is v. Derivative of u dx, according to derivative of u dx equal to u into e power x into integration f dash of x dx minus integral of integration f dash of x dx into d by dx of e power x dx. So unfortunately I'm taking reversal. So e power x into F dash of x derivative is f of x. Derivative integration cancel e power x into f of x minus integration v dx. So that means integral of integration f dash cancel. So f of x into derivative of e power x is e power x. That gives integration f of x into e power x dx. F dash of x dx equal to f of x. Substitute equation 2 in equation 1. So integration e power x into f of x plus f dash of x dx equal to integration e power x into f of x plus f dash e power x into f dash e power x into f dash of x dx. This implies is equal to e power x into f of x dx plus integration e power x into f dash of x. Answer is e power x into f of x minus e power x into f of x dx. Integration e power x into f of x dx. Integration e power x into f of x dx. Integration e power x into f of x dx cancel. So remaining therefore integration e power x into f of x plus f dash of x dx equal to e power x into f of x. So repeating same integration, an integration function which contain e power x sign, uh, addition of two derivative and that function, it will give easy answer e power x into f of x. Problem, evaluate e power x into 1 plus sin x by 1 plus cos x dx. So this is a very difficult question. Yeah. In this question, we don't have only multiplication. In this question, we have division also. Multiplication multiplication e power x into 1 plus sin x by 1 plus cos x. We have only multiplication formula. We don't have any division integration division formulas. Convert this equation into multiplication way. So solution I equal to integration e power x into 1 plus sin x by 1 plus cos x dx is equal to integration e power x into 1 plus sin x formula 2 sin x by 2 to cos x by 2, and denominator 1 plus cos x formula is 2 cos square x by 2 dx is equal to integration e power x into 1 by 2 cos square x by 2 plus splitting into two parts 2 sin x by 2 into 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2 by 2 cos square x by 2. Here right side cos x by 2 cos x by 2 cancel into 2 cancel 1 by 2 cos square x by 2 is secant is equal to integration e power x into 1 by 2 secant square x by 2 plus 2 to sin x by cos x by 2 is tan x by 2 dx is equal, therefore e power x into this step look like as integration e power x into f of x plus f dash of x. It contain, suppose take tan x by 2 is the one of the f of x. The tan x derivative is secant square x by 2. X by 2 derivative is 1 by 2. In this question has f of x and also f dash of x. Therefore, integration e power x into f of x plus f dash of x dx equal to e power x into f of x. So answer is e power x into tan x by 2 plus c. Next question. Evaluate integration x into e power x by 1 plus x whole square dx. This question also multiplication and division. Solution I equal to integration x into e power x by 1 plus x square. So denominator has 1 plus x square. So we need numerator also 1 plus x. So add and subtract e power x, add and subtract e power x. So integration in numerator part integration x into e power x plus e power x minus e power x by 1 plus x whole square into dx. So take out in numerator term e power x as in x and e power x into 1 plus x minus e power x by 1 plus x whole square dx. Convert into two parts. So take out e power on outside, integration e power x into 1 plus x e power x 1 plus x by 1 plus x whole square minus e power x 1 by 1 plus x square dx. So 1 plus x 1 plus x cancel, remaining is integration e power x into 1 by 1 plus x minus 1 by 1 plus x whole square dx. This question look like as e power x into f of x plus f dash of x dx, because 1 by x is suppose 1 by 1 plus x is f of x. Derivative this, it will give minus 1 by 1 plus x whole power minus 2, that is 1 by 1 plus x whole power 2. Question contain function and derivative into e power x. So answer is e power x into f of x. So e power x into 1 by 1 plus x plus c. Evaluate e power x into 2 plus sin 2x by 1 plus cos 2x dx. 2 plus sin 2x by 1 plus cos 2x dx. Apply sin 2 theta and cos 2 theta formulas. So I equal to integration e power x into 2 plus sin 2x by 1 plus cos 2x dx is equal to integration e power x into 2 plus sin 2 theta formula 2 sin theta cos theta, that is cos theta, sin 2x formula is 2 sin x cos x, by 1 plus cos 2x formula is 2 cos square x. E power x into f of x plus f dash of x dx equal to e power x into sorry. So integration e power x into, in numerator term 2 is the common term, take out, that is e power x is common, integration e power x into 2 by 2 cos square x plus 2 sin x cos x by 2 cos square x dx. Numerator 2 denominator 2 cancel. Integration e power x into 1 by cos square x is secant square x. In denominator cos square and cos cancel, sin by cos is tan. Integration e power x into secant square x plus tan x dx. This step look like as e power x and f of x in the derivative. Tan x is f of x, secant square is f dash of x. F of x plus f dash of x into e power x dx. Answer is e power x into f of x plus c. Here f of x is tan x plus c. Summary. On completion of this period, you have learned to evaluate integral of the form integration e power x into f of x plus f dash of x dx equal to e power x into f of x plus c. Repeating once again, integration e power x into f of x plus f dash of x dx equal to e power x into f of x plus c. Is e power x into sin x plus cos x dx. Here sin x is suppose sin x equal to f of x. Sin x derivative is cos x. So function integral function contain e power x sin x f of x and in the derivative. Sin x is of f of x, cos x is in the derivative. So answer is e power x into f of x, that equal to e power x into sin x plus c is the first, a is the correct answer. Next, e power x into x log x plus 1 by x dx. So which one is f of x? So Divide the equation into two parts. E power x into x log x by x plus 1 by x. In x log x, x cancel log x plus 1 by x. In that question, if log x is a function, 1 by x is derivative of log x. This question has function in the derivative in addition position and e power x in multiplication position. It will give e power x into f of x plus c. E power x into f of x plus f of x equal log x. 1 by x is derivative. So therefore e power x into log x plus c b is the correct answer. Frequently asked question. Evaluate integration e power x into 2 plus sin 2x by 1 plus cos 2x dx. I solved this question in second. Evaluate integration e power x into 1 plus sin x by 1 plus cos 2x dx. This is also same way. Assignment. Evaluate e power x into sin x cos x. The answer is here sin x is f of x, cos x is f dash of x. Answer is e power x into sin x plus c. Next question. Evaluate integration x into e power x by 1 plus. I solve this question. Evaluate integration e power x into cot x plus log sin x dx. So take out log sin x is the f of x. Log sin x derivative of log sin x is log's derivative is 1 by x. That is 1 by sin x. Sin x derivative is cos x. Cos x by sin x is cot x. So log sin x is f of x. F dash. Cot x is f dash. This answer e power x into log sin x plus c. Next, methods of integration. Methods of integration. In the methods of integration by parts, Bernoulli's rule. So Bernoulli rule integration by parts is same using Liet formula and Bernoulli rule same, but Bernoulli rule used for in higher powers of u terms and complete objectives. On completion of this period, you would be able to derive Bernoulli's formula for successive integration. Perform successive integration by parts by using Bernoulli formula. We integrated the function sin x into log x, e power x into cos bx, e power x into sin bx. And by assuming sin x log x as so this way using Liet formula. We integrate the function x cube into cos x, assuming sin x into log x dx equal to using Liet, log x is u, sin x is v. And e power x into sin x dx is here sin x is e power x is exponential function according to Liet sin x into e power x dx formation. We integrate the function x cube into cos x, x cube into cos 2x by integration by parts formula thrice, two times, thrice. We integrate the function x power 4 into sin x, comma x power 4 into sin x by using integration by parts formula 4 times. Parts formula 4 times. We integrate the function x power 5 into e power x, x power 5 into e power minus x by use integration by parts formula 5 times. So we apply integration by parts directly. It will give very complicated because x power 5 question contain x power 5 by using integration by parts 5 times. Integration by parts 4 times. If x power 4 contain 4 times, x power 3 contain 3 times. Bernoulli's formula. Let u and v are functions of x. U dash, u double dash, u triple dash, so on successively differential coefficients. And v1, v2, v3 successive integrals. Then integration uv dx equal to uv1 minus u dash v2 plus u double dash v3 minus u triple dash v4 plus u4 dash v5 plus minus so on. So this is a simple formula Bernoulli's rule. Bernoulli's rule is used for Whenever this function contain higher powers of x, if u contains, see u, suppose u is x power 10. So then we apply integration by part 10 times. If any minus mistake, it will give the total answer mistake. Use Bernoulli method, it will give the easy way. So Bernoulli rule and integration substitution method are same. Integral by parts are same. Integration u v dx equal to u v1 minus u dash v2 plus u double dash v3 minus u triple dash v4. So remembering is also easy. Integration u v dx equal to u v1 next minus u dash v2. Here 1 v1 v2 v3 v4 are integrations. Integration v1 is first integration, v2 equal to double integration, v3 equal to triple integration, v4 equal to fourth integration. And u is a u and u dash equal to first derivative, u double dash equal to second derivative, u triple dash is third derivative plus so on. So integration u v dx equal to u v1 minus u dash v2 plus u double dash v3 minus alternatively plus minus and with derivatives and integrations. Bernoulli's formula derivative. Let u and v are functions of x. U dash, u double dash, u triple dash successive differential function v1 v2 successive integration. Then integration u v dx equal to u v1 minus integration u dash v1 dx. Integration by parts by succession u v1 minus integration u dash v1 integration u v integration by u dash into integration of v1 v1 integration of v1 is double integration is v2 minus integration of v1 and to derivative of u. So first derivative of u dash derivative is u double dash v1 integration is v2 dx. Continuing it, continuing, is equal to u v1 minus u dash v2. U v1 minus u dash v2 minus into minus plus integration of u double dash v2 dx. U double dash v2 dx is, it is also applying integration by parts here. So totally it will give the integration u v dx equal to u v1 minus u dash v2 plus u double dash v3 minus u triple dash v4 plus so on. If you have any doubt, continue this. Put u v1 minus u dash v2 plus minus into minus 1 whole square into integration u double dash v2. Apply uv formula u v1 minus u dash v2 minus plus minus 1 whole square into u double dash into integration of v2 integration of v3 minus derivative of u double dash and integration of v2 u triple dash v3 dx. U v1 minus u dash v2 minus 1 square into u double dash v3 minus 1 square into minus 1 is minus 1 cube into u triple dash v3 dx. So I am continuing this. So on. So u v1 minus u dash v2 minus 1 square is plus 1 minus 1 square u double dash v3 minus 1 cube u triple dash v3 plus dx plus 1 minus 1 power n minus 1 u power n minus 1 here. 1 power n dx. Similarly, lastly, it will go with the answer integration u v dx equal to u v1 minus u dash v2 plus u double dash v3 minus u triple dash v4. Inverse integral of product of two functions. Integral of product of two functions equal to first function into integral of second function. Product integral of product of two functions equal to first function is as it is first and second integral of second function minus go on differentiating first integrating second with signs alternative plus and minus and minus. Problem 1. Evaluate integration x power 4 into e power 2x dx. X power 4 into e power 2x dx. Solution: I equal to integration x power 4 into e power 2x dx. If we do integration by parts, it will give you high level integration. We have to do 4 times integration by parts. I equal to integration x power 4 e power 2x dx. As per Lie, x power 4 equal to u, e power 2x equal to v. Because as per Lie, apply Lie in this place also. E- Exponential function is last term. Before is algebraic, inversal, trigonometric, and Laplacian. So x power 4 is algebraic is u and e power 2x is v. So derivating the u's and integrating the v's. So u dash u equal to x power 4. U dash equal to derivative of x power. X power 4 derivative is 4x. N into x power n minus 1. First year formula. X power n formula n into x power n minus 1. So derivative of u equal to derivative of x power 4. X power 4 derivative of 4 into x power 3. And derivative of u double dash. Derivative once derivative once again is u dash, u double dash equal to 4 into x cube derivative is 3x square. 3 into 4 is 12x square. And one more time, derivative one more time, u triple dash equal to 12 into x square derivative is 2x. 2 into 12 is 24x. And derivative one more time, u4 dash that equal to 24x. X derivative is 1, 24 into 1 is 1. If we derivative one more time, it will constant derivative is 0. Okay, only. Next, integrate. We need v1. V v1 equal to integration of v dx. That is v equal to e power 2x dx. V1 equal to integration e power 2x dx. E power 2x integration is e power 2x. So x quotient to denominator to e power 2x by 2. And v2 equal to integrating the v1. Integration v1 dx equal to integration e power 2x by 2 dx equal to, so e power 2x integration e power 2 by 2. 2 into 2 is 4. That is e power 2x by 4. V3 equal to integration of v2 dx, that equal to integration of e, integration of e power 2x by 4 dx. E power 2x integration is e power 2x by 2 and 4 into 2 is 8. That equal to e power 2x by 8. So x power 4 means it from e power. V power 4 equal to V3 dx. V3 equal to e power 2x by 8x. E power 2x integration is e power 2x by 2. 2 into 8 is 60. 16. So V3 equal to e power V4 equal to e power 2x by 16. By the Bernoulli formula, integration uv dx equal to uv1 minus u dash v2 plus u double dash v3 minus u triple dash v4 plus so on. Integration uv dx equal to uv1 minus u dash v2 plus u double dash v3 minus u triple dash v4 plus so on. So I equal to integration x power 4 into e power 2x dx. U v1 integration u v dx equal to u v1, u equal to x power 4, v1 equal to e power 2x by 2 minus u dash equal to 4x cube, v2 equal to e power 2x by 4 plus u double dash equal to 12x square, v3 equal to e power 2x by 8 minus u triple dash equal to 3 times derivative of x power 4 is 24x, u triple dash into v power 4 is e power 2x by 16 and u4 dash equal to 24 into v5 equal to e power 2x by 16 into 2 is 32. So we stop u5 dash is equal to 0. We stop here because u phi dash equal to 0. That is I equal to e power 2x is common. E power 2x is common term. Take out outside e power 2x by first one is x power 4 by 2 and next to 4x cube by 4, 12x square by 8, 24x by 16, 24 by 32. Simplifying this, x power 4 by 2, 4 4 cancel x cube plus 4 2 is 4 3 is 3 by 2 x square plus 8 2 is 8 3 is plus 8 3 is 8 4 is 3 by 4 plus 6. Evaluate integration x cube into cos x dx. Here x cube is algebraic cos x is trigonometry. Accordingly, delete LIAD after t is the after a. So a equal to x cube, t equal to so v equal to cos x. So derivative u is x cube, u dash equal to derivative of x cube is 3x square. And derivative once again u double dash equal to 3x square derivative is 2x. 3 into 2 is 6x. U triple dash equal to 6 in x derivative 6 into x derivative 1. U triple dash equal to 0. U 4 dash equal to 6. Constant derivative is 0. Next to v1. v1 equal to integration of v dx. That equal v equal to cos x integration cos x dx equal to cos x dx equal to integration cos x is just sin x. Derivative of cos x is minus sin x. But integration cos x is just sin x. So v2 equal to integration v1 dx, v1 equal to sin x integration sin x dx. Sin x integration of sin x is minus cos x. Integration sin x is minus v3. v3 equal to integration v2 dx, that equal to integration minus cos x dx. Integration minus cos x dx is equal to cos x integration just sin x minus as continuous minus sin x. Bernoulli's rule, by Bernoulli's formula, integration u dx equal to u v1 minus u dash v2 plus u triple double dash v3 minus u triple dash v4 plus so on. Apply u and u dash. Integration I equal to integration x cube into cos x dx is equal to u v1 u equal to x cube v1 equal to sin x minus u dash is equal to 3x square v2 equal to minus cos x plus u double dash equal to 6x and v3 equal to minus sin x u3 dash equal to minus u3 dash equal to 6 and v4 equal to cos x. We stop here because u power 4 equal to 0 is equal to x cube into sin x minus into minus plus 3x square cos x 6x into minus sin x is minus 6x sin x minus 6 cos x plus c. Third problem. Evaluate integration x power 4 into sin 2x dx. So I equal to integration x power 4 into sin 2x dx. So here x power 4 equal to u and sin 2x is v. Sin 2x is trigonometry, x power 4 is algebraic. As per Liet, u equal to x power 4, v equal to sin 2x. U dash equal to x power 4 is 4x cube. U double dash equal to 4x cube derivative is x cube derivative is 3x square. 3 into 4 is 12x square. U triple dash equal to 12 into x square derivative is 2x. 12 to the 24x. U 4 dash equal to 24x derivative. 24 into x derivative is 1. That equal to 24. V1 equal to integration V dx. v1 equal to integration v dx. Here v equal to sine 2x. Integration v1 equal to integration sine 2x dx. Sine 2x integration. Integration of sine x is cos x. Sine 2x is minus cos 2x. So the integration is 1 minus cos 2x by 2. v2 equal to v1 minus cos 2x by 2 integration is cos 2x integration sin 2x x quotient to denominator 2 minus sin 2x by 4. v3 equal to integration of v2 dx minus sin 2x by 4 dx equal to sin 2x integration minus cos 2x minus into minus plus cos 2x by 2. 2 into 4 is 8. v3 equal to cos 2x by 8. Next, v4 equal to integration v3 dx, that is integration cos 2x by 8 dx. Cos 2x integration is s2 sin 2x by 2. 2 into 8 is 16. v4 equal to sin 2x by 16. By Bernoulli's formula, integration uv dx equal to uv1 minus u dash v2 plus u double dash v3 minus u triple dash v4 plus so on. I equal to integration x power 4 into sin 2x dx is equal to x power 4 into sin 2x integration is u v1. U equal to x power 4, v1 equal to integration of v1 is minus cos 2x by 2 minus 4x cube x power 4 minus u dash equal to 4x cube 4x cube into v2 4x cube into v2 minus sin 2x by 4 x power 4 into v2 equal to minus sin 2x by 4 plus u double dash equal to 12x square and v3 equal to cos 2x by 8 and u triple dash equal to 24x and v4 equal to sin 2x by 16 and u4 dash equal to 24 v5 equal to minus cos 2x by 32. We stop here because therefore u5 dash equal to 0. X minus x power 4 into cos 2x by 2 plus 4x cube into sin 2x by 4 plus 12x square into cos 2x by 8 minus 24x into sin 2x by 16 minus 24 into cos 2x by 32. I am simplifying this cos 2x in overall separating cos 2x and sin 2x square. Cos 2x into minus x power 4 by 4 to 12 x square by 8 minus 24 by 32 plus sin 2x into x cube by 4 minus 24x by 16. Cos 2x into minus x power 4 plus 33x square by 2 minus 3 by 4 plus sin 2x into x cube minus 3 by 2 x cube minus 3x by 2 plus 6. Summary. In this class, we have learned to derive Bernoulli's formula for successive integration, to perform successive integration by parts by using Bernoulli's formula. In this class, we have learned to derive Bernoulli's formula for successive integration, to perform successive integration by parts by using Bernoulli's rule. Formula integration Bernoulli's formula integration uv dx equal to uv1 minus u dash v2 plus u double dash v3 minus u triple dash v4 plus so on is integration x power 4 into e power minus x dx in apply Bernoulli's rule. Here u equal to x power 4, v equal to e power minus x power 4. Apply 4 times derivative of x power 4. U is x power 4. write it as indirect answer. So overall e power minus x is common. U is x power 4, u dash 4x cube, u double, uv minus u dash u v1. U v1 means x power 4 into e power minus x by minus 1. That will give, I hope C is the correct way. E power minus x is common term, minus 1 is first, uh, x power 4 by x power 4 into e power x integration e power minus x into minus 1, so minus x power 4 derivative is 4x cube, 4x cube into e power x, double integration e power x into e power x, minus minus cancel, so it will give minus in that place. So next to x power 4 double derivative, x cube derivative 12x square, 12x square into, it will give e power minus x integration is minus. So C is the correct answer. Derivative of x power 4 is always correct. That is x power 4, 4x cube plus 12x square plus 24x plus 24. This is the derivative of x power 4 correct to v dash. V dash is also e power minus x common overall. So e power x integration minus 1. So minus 1, first one is minus 1, next one is minus of plus 1, take out minus is outside, and third one is plus into minus 1 power 1 power 3, that means it will give minus, and fourth one is minus 1 power 4 is, so C is the correct answer. Integration x power 4 into sin x dx, x power 4 into sin x dx equal to 4 times derivative splitting into two parts. So the previous question I have same question. Frequently asked question. Evaluate x cube into sin 2x. Evaluate x integration x power 4 into e power 2x. Assignment. Evaluate integration. Frequently asked question. Evaluate x cube into sin 2x dx. This also I hope it is an easy answer because x cube 3 times derivative. U equal to x cube. U dash equal to 3x square. U double dash equal to 6x. U, u, u equal to x cube, u dash equal to 3x square, u double dash equal to 6x, u triple dash equal to 6. So v1 equal to sin integration of sin 2x is minus cos 2x by 2, v1 equal to minus cos 2x by 2, v2 equal to minus cos 2x integration is just sin 2x by 2, sin 2x by 4, rest minus and plus overall to use the remainder. I hope this type of question will be completed. Evaluate integration x power 4 into e power 2 x. This is we have to derivative the x power 4 4 times and e power 2 x in 5 times. It will give you the answer. E power e power 2 power 5 is 32. It will give 34, 24 by 32. E power x total overall common. Next assignment. Evaluate integration x cube into e power x plus e power minus x dx. E power x plus e power minus x. splitting this question into two parts. A power x into x cube into e power x plus integration x cube into e power x plus integration x cube into e power minus x dx. Just to do the two times. Evaluate integration x power 4 into sin x. This question also I completed. Evaluate integration x cube into e power 2x dx. X cube into e power 2x. So x cube 3 times they will do e power 4x 4 times integration. So we ask to e power 4 times is 16. So next class we have to discuss definite integrals. Okay, thank you.